Conveyor oven inspection. The first step is to detect the heating tube. Firstly, adjust the multimeter to 200 ohm. The first group is shown in the figure. If there has a value, it is normal. The second step is to detect the motors. There are 2 sprockets in total. The upper and lower sprockets and the motor shaft should rotate at the same time, means normal. If one of them does not rotate, indicates that the screw is loose, so screws need to be tightened. After the sprocket hole is aligned with the motor hole, after aligning the holes, then tighten the screws. Step 3. AC contactor detection. It needs to be turned on to detect. The red light indicates normal. Step 4. Transfer switch detection. The conversion switch detection needs to be detected. When it is powered on, use an electric pen to detect whether the back contacts are powered on. If the electric pen is red, the switch is normal.